In this guide, I will be showing you guys where can you download the FWC 2026 Mobile Tickets app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, FWC 2026 Mobile Tickets, and search for it. With that, app will appear. Now click on it. Now click on the option Get or Install. For the iOS device, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID, passport, or user Face ID. Once you verify that, download process will start. Once completion of its download, you can launch it. Now log in using the same account you used to purchase your tickets. This is very important because your tickets will only appear in the app linked to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to view your match tickets, QR codes, and even details directly inside the app. Remember, do not trust any third-party websites or APK files because the official tickets will only work through the official mobile app. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.